Have you ever wondered how a simple braid transformation can completely change someone's look? Whoa! Well, today I am taking you along and creating this beautiful box braid from start to finish. Whether you're looking for a hair inspiration, planning your next protective hairstyle, or you just love watching this beautiful hair transformation, you are in the right place. You know what you can do for me? Just stay until the end to see the final result, because this look came out absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god. Before I get started, I always make sure that my hair is clean. I moisturize it and properly detangle it. Remember, I'm on a natural hair. So I try to make my foundation amazing so the person making the hair can be so comfortable. Then I had to put a hole. Okay, so this is the attachment I am using. So we are going to make box braids. So I'm using lunch. You can also try yours. So this is it. And you're going to see the final result of how it looks. Yes. Yes, guys. So you see the final result. Just stay tuned as you see how it's going to look, guys. Oh my god. You're going to see my new look. Oh my god. Yeah, so stay tuned and let's do it. Getting into the actual braiding process, I noticed the hairstylist started from the back, walking towards my front hair to make the hair from each of the sections that she has already sectioned it, making sure the tension is so comfortable, not too tight and not too loose. So the goal is to create this braid that looks neat, because I love neat braids, while still protecting my natural hair. I am so scared of my front hair not to break. I actually told her that please, you should be careful. Please and please. What I love about this box braid is how it's so comfortable in a way that you can always style it in any way you want to. You can always make it an high ponytails, bombs, half up style, and even left down for a simple everyday look. You can use it as a ponytail. You can make anything out of this box braid. That's why I love it so much. I love the style so much. Have you seen how fast she is? We are already gone from the back to the front. So she was so conscious and like, please don't allow me to go home having headache. I just want to be cute and good looking with this hair. Okay, so as she continued, I noticed the consistency is the key in how she was actually making the hair, keeping the braid side in a uniform way. Okay, she was actually taking the attachment by herself just to maintain a good and professional size, same size for all the hair. This is the part that takes patience, but the result is always worth it. And amazing, guys. Are you seeing how it is going? So we were making a great progress. Oh my god. By the time I knew, I'm like, madam, are you done? She said she's done. What are you doing? She said she's trimming it. I said, oh my god, this is gorgeous. But it's actually a long braid. It's been a long time I made this length. Oh my god, if you look at the length, when I stood up, I was, wow, is this how this hair is long? It has passed my, the down there, and was almost going towards my laps. I said, God, this is actually long. Okay, so after the trimming, I was actually waiting for that part that you have to put it in a hot water. Oh my god, I don't think I'm going to show you that because it's always scaring. It's always scaring and scaring. So the hair was actually long, as I said, and full as I actually needed. Okay, I also noticed the neatness of the hair. Oh my god, is it the cutting of the box? The way it was just coming out, the box. Oh my god, the detail was so elevating, and the entire style was so mind-blowing. Okay, by the time she finished trimming it, putting it in the hot water, I actually didn't show you the part of the hot water because, man, I need to be careful about holding my phone with hot water. I don't want to get hair bruises all over myself. So I was just being so particular and careful. So she actually told me that she wants to pack it up. I told her go ahead to pack it up. So we're actually doing the ponytail pack it up for now. I think throughout this week I'm going to be using the ponytail pack up. Then maybe next week I'll use another style. I know you're already saying in your mind the kind of pack up style you're going to do whenever you make this kind of hair. You could choose any style that fits you. So as I said, I am starting with ponytail for this week. This is an adventure. Just so guys, this is how my hair looks. I'm done making my hair. So I decided to do an adventure. So I came over up here. Can you see Lagos? Yes. Can you see Lagos? Okay. My adventure. How do I look, guys? This is my hair. Yeah, how do I look? This place is not for bikes. Why? So how do I look? So this is my new look. I am back home, guys. So this is it. How does this girl look? Thank you so much for following me along. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and just comment. Please support us. We need your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So you can tell me in the comment section, how does my hair look?